So today we're unboxing the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, and this is the Wayfarer model, and you have to open it by tearing this. Oh.
Nice.
Listen, call, live stream. Écoutez, appelez et partagez en direct.
Hey!
So you scan that to get the MetaView app, which works with the glasses. Now, this is it. This is the case. The glasses are in here. You can see it has a Type-C charging port. So this charges the glasses just like any smart wearable is charged by whichever case or whatever it is that it's kept in. In this case, it's the case. So you open it and the glasses are in there. I mean, that's just it. There's a cleaning cloth, microfiber cloth. We'll set that to the side here. And then what else? Paperwork. Is that it? Huh.
Can you imagine? Hey, wow.
Nothing else. Ray-Ban Meta. If you don't know, Meta is the mother company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Hey, I've found something already. So, okay, interesting. So that's how it charges. So I think it's a battery. So that's how it charges. That's the battery pack. You put it in like this, and it clips in, and it charges. So we'll pull it out. But wait, so they just give you the glasses. They didn't give you anything else. Oh, these people,
Sikano ashe.
So you have the power switch over here. As you can see. And then this is the capture button. So you press this, you want to capture something. And there's a touchpad on the side, and it has speakers in here if you want to listen. So if you're listening to music, I'm already hearing stuff. And there's a bit of haptic feedback. Oh, and there's a blue light here showing that it's pairing. There's one camera, and then this is the light that indicates when you're recording. And as with every Ray-Ban, you have the little RB etched into the lens over there. Yep. So you can use it to make calls while you're wearing it. Say, hey Meta, or if you're Ghanaian, hey Meta.
Wow. Double press. Yep.
So how you been?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Just make calls while you're wearing it. Hey Meta, call XYZ, call 1234, call ABC. You can use the AI to get answers about what you're seeing. So then when you ask it, hey Meta, then it looks at whatever you're seeing and then gives you information about it.
So as soon as I'm wearing these glasses, I'm looking at the cameraman right now. I'll get all his information on my phone and see his social media feed and stuff. And then I'll just walk up to him, hey, aren't you that guy from, say, Kaneshi? And he's like, yeah. Oh, we met 2 days ago. It's like, oh, really? He doesn't remember. I've got all the information here from my phone.
So I can be looking at maybe a building, and then I ask, hey Meta, what is this building? Tell me more about this building, blah, 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 blah. You can live stream, as we've already said, live stream. So maybe you're at an event and holding your phone is too much work. It's got an HD camera. So you wear it and then live stream. Now, I'm more interested in the fact that you can replace the lenses. So these are polarized lenses, and I like me some polarized glasses. So yeah, almost every pair of sunglasses I have is actually polarized. So it's good. I mean, you also know it's polarized because Ray-Ban will always say Ray-Ban P if it's polarized. What else? I mean, it's really not much about it. Maybe the AI part would be a lot more interesting. And I'm yet to try it. The unboxing was very uneventful. Just a pair of glasses, a case, a cleaning cloth. The case is heavy, mamma mia. Oh, it's got an LED light to sort of show you your battery life, and it closes magnetically. Oh, okay, so this is the hole, and that's the light, so it just goes in there like that. Ray-Ban Meta. Interesting. I like it. But these are sunglasses, so imagine if you're wearing them indoors or at night. It's not really, it will look off.
Hey, my friend!
Maybe they should have made clear versions that were active, so when you went into the daylight or photochromic, like they call them, and then it would become dark. And then you can wear them anywhere, indoors and outdoors. But right now I'm indoors and it's still darkish. So yes, Meta, we want photochromic lenses so we can wear, when we're in, it's light, when we're out, it's dark. So besides that, you can also listen to music. You tap it and it would play your Spotify playlist, and I'm a Spotify fanboy, so I like that I'll be able to listen to my Spotify using this. Or if you are moving from one point to another and you're using the maps, you would actually be hearing the map direction, turn-by-turn directions through your Meta Ray-Ban glasses, which is good because then you're not wearing earbuds or earphones which are going to block your hearing, so you don't hear if a car's about to knock you down. So yeah, it's good. For the live stream part, it's interesting. You can live stream on Instagram, you can live stream on Facebook just by wearing it and looking at whatever you want to capture, which I think is cool, because sometimes when you're live streaming or when you're recording something, you forget and then you use your eyes to be looking at. And I'm very guilty of that. Like, I'll be recording something and then I would end up not paying attention to my camera and rather using my eyes to look at whatever I'm looking at and then missing in on the action. Confess. This would help you capture everything as you look at it. So when you turn, it turns with you. When you look, it looks with you. I think that's cool. I like that. Right now, Meta says the Meta AI feature in this is limited to US and Canada, and the voice features are available in English, Italian, and French. So you can translate. Maybe you look at a sign in French and you can ask it to translate, or you look at a sign in Italian and it can translate. Or if you're French and Italian and you look at a sign in English, you can translate into your language, i.e. any of these three languages that I mentioned. But hopefully there'll be new languages that'll be launched with it, and it will be able to respond to more languages as it is improved. But let's see. I don't know if I'll be able to use Meta AI in Ghana, because Ghana is on the list of countries, but you never know. Maybe some tinkering can give me access.